This is a super easy meal prep recipe. First, cook the rice according to the package. Most rice is half a part water to the rice. Next, I'm taking chicken breast and mixing it with soy sauce, honey, garlic, and ginger. I eyeball it to ensure the chicken is coated. I recommend marinating this a couple hours in the fridge if time permits, for the flavor to seep into the chicken. When the chicken is ready to cook, I air fry it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 minutes, flipping halfway through. While the chicken is cooking, I portion vegetables and rice into a meal prep container. Once the chicken is done, the meal is ready. Thanks for watching.